All right, Facebook, YouTube, we're at it again. Like I said, we already did the carpet. We're getting ready to do the tile and the laminate because we already did the ducts last week, and they're ready to put this house in the market. Let me grab my spinner. Let's go. Ayo. Stay tuned. Facebook, YouTube, we're back at it again. This is the house that we did last week. We did the ducts. Now we came back to the carpet and the tile and laminate and linoleum. Definitely a cold one. Happy Wednesday. We love saving floors, guys, whether it's carpet, hardwood, tile. If you walk on it, you work on it. Come on, somebody. We teach you the fundamentals, how to properly maintain it, so you keep it for years to come. This carpet is responding very well. This is a Berber carpet, oil loving, and we're restoring it, we're getting it clean for them so they can put it on the market. Do a couple of dry passes here. There was some rust by the registers. We were able to treat that with a specialty treatment. Again, if you can't clean it without treating it, that's a spot. But if you got to treat it, then the fibers are damaged and that's a stain. So FYI. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up this little area right here, and then we're gonna start on the tile over there, and that'll do it. Stay tuned. I'm fogging for smoke odor, for nicotine. We are treating the carpet. This is an odor treatment. Stay tuned. We're doing a tile now. We're pre-treating it so it can emulsify. You can just see that dirt there? Watch this. We break that up. Look at this over here, guys. Check this out. Ready? Started breaking that up. Pretty cool, huh? All right, guys, stay tuned. Here we go. Look at this tile, guys. About 20 years worth of debris, soil. Look at that. Nice. Oh yeah. We're gonna love it. We're gonna be happy with this house in the market. I'll zoom in so you guys can see. Beautiful. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, the client loves this grout. Look how beautiful this is again, guys. Nice and white. She loves it. I'm applying the sealer now, which is an oil base. And then when we get to applying this will flash off and then bond to the grout lines and tile, keeping it protected. Stay tuned. Nice. All right, guys, just got finished up. The client loves it. She can't wait to put this house in the market. And that's gonna dry. It looks wet, but that's gonna dry. Now it's nice and white again. And then the carpets are clean. We did their laminate for them in the laundry room and bathroom. And she's excited, guys. She said she can't wait to put on the market. Get this in here as well. I'm not gonna turn the light on though. She's gonna give me a testimonial, a video testimonial, and leave me a 5-star Google review. And she's so excited, guys. All right, guys. See you in the next one.
Hi, my name's Cindy, and we had A&O carpet cleaning come out today. It takes care of some things at my mom's house. Ryan is the owner, and he came out and did the work. He did a beautiful job. It's been 20 years since our carpet's been cleaned, and the carpet looks perfect. The tile was cleaned, the grout's cleaned, it's sealed, it's ready for its new owner. The linoleum looks great. He went above and beyond, and I couldn't be